Until on only day, I don't even foresee say he will even win the contest. But I was touting Brian say he could have even given Dr. Iran a very hard competition. But knowing, Cecilia, hearing what is going on here, the voice share, if someone tells you about Nigerian politics is about money, everything. It's not about the competence of the person. Omo no omo focus nyinaa yɛ wɔ nipa no wɔ sika o, or plane or private jet or this or that or this. And no, that is their main focus. And so seeing fair and no back down to Ghana, even an elite party like MPP. Say yeah, not just say I am so. I mean, we're dreaming the voice. We should not, we should never, we should not allow money to determine or influence who becomes our leader. NPP, I trust NPP as an elite party, and we always look for what you can do to help us. Your mind, what you can help us with your mind, not usika. Yempe usika. No chinebi, wakoye bibi boni bidi usika no abe fole abe tonko for votes. We don't want it. We want your competence, your leadership, your skills, what you are bringing to the table. Enye sikasem contest na yeko. Inti if Honorable Brian Champion thinks to say, enye sika na oba be tuegum, at the end there he is lost. On tonight, he shouldn't come and waste his time because I'm pleading on the delegates. Please look beyond money. Money shouldn't be the focus or the focal point. Munshe nipa no ne wa ye. Obi enim said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aye. Obetimi aye. Ono no gina ho Mahama kura ntimi nkasa. Dr. Gina ho kasa Mahama ontimi nkasa. Inti delegates, you should be looking at that and forget about Sika. Sika yebeto ye. Yepe nipa odi ni nimdie ni nyansa beboa Ghana youth to move forward. Enye ni obeba be or be she ye ni brebetu ni sika egu ye so. And that is even a bad influence to the youth. Ebema youth no be dwene say sika etimi ade nyina. Sika timi ade nyina so etimi ade nyina. Who follow sika e de wo be ko baby a yenko. Inti say sika sem na sisi ano all ba ye dia, then I'm sorry. Then he doesn't want to be even in the second position. Yes, and it on back it off. On back it off.
See, the voice say me say wa obe hu Canada Japan support bi o NDC. Me na me ka. Any mo na atena TikTok ha ye mo musu ba.
No, voice. It is still possible. It be mo NPP for as I say just so my journey so I say.
Okure no anu aka no. And no one wakano. Eti the voice say. Na obi a NDC poster. Eti me koye pools na ka say NDC for so pegere de Japan. Na NDC before the Canada Japan by beto abama no. When NDC no auto NDP neither. Say ya no mo fool say ya no boy who to send your boy NDC for no. The voice me see almost Canada Japan where you were see the better factories anyway. Sound of one year de muzo amu adwuma wen. Omu adwuma wa hefa. We should ask some of these critical questions. Factories wey bi omu fa na work about komna na ehwade. Say ya the voice. Na me ne me jane say Canada Japan we did the party ni mu awie. Wa akofa nkrofo eno mu di Jimmy cause problems for party ni mu. Eti omo na omo say ye ko delegate kon me akoye a vote no January ni mu no. Omo so mo nti ase no. Omo ya mampofo. Omo ye tutujagu ye kan say ahwetifo. enyansafo eboa no enyansafo ehihye no enyansafo to foundation no enyansafo esi dan de eyinchense aboso no na ejimi fund the bulldozer bedwiri say ya no mudwirigu na ye ya wo mu wioma say atwa mo ho aba say party no wo mu ka ho bi ne chechire party no Canada Japan ya ye din ne ye hwe wo ya ye din ne ye hwe wo sa wo nsem hunu na wudi no me se me de ye bompa ye 31 January na sanse hu nyina to atwa se wo nkrofo na se wuntimi nkanya sase mbi nkyire wo mo a because one kasa wo ni wonu kasa nye deda utimi edi twasitam wo TV so obi aso person di president uma ade a oba beka a kire uma obi 1 CD a oba beka so man 10 CDs ya wa na beka kire say wo sister ko the design despite museum say wonte da omo share issues communicate edi bank ye me the boy say you 231st ye program ni wie doctor enya 90% ni wie na 10% no maka ne cha no doctor emfa Canada Japan menu especially omu ye omu tutu adwen a obekọ ka kire ndisi fo obekọ aka kire ndisi fo nsesa ye Canada Japan aton NPP ama NDC for isika or ye businessman onu ne party na mfa ne mu o NDC fo atua ne ka say on destabilizing NPP na ye mani sika puduo no ne yiri ne ma 22 no wo mu nkoche ni ne yiri no mienu ba ko kase ba ko ne keto ba ko ahoma ba ko e na ankore ba ko no mu nkoche no mu ni na me ne buade bia the voice e betena ha ekike mu a emi ensu nyina ye ya onya contract mako etosu 200 ni etosu 201 yamfa manana ne buafu 200 no won ani so ba ko pene da so yamfa manana ne buafu no wajisika pudo billions wako chedi wo wia wo be ka kire ye say full party ni full soldiers for end the year or sorry or rounds or incite party no against can say members no what if say ansem no keka no jumo so di no ota na MPP for be mu abu or can MPP for be mu abu na party no mo ye na hi no mo nyina jai party no mo take na Japan sem okeka muntie ni sem ye okeka eya muntie eti no me say Canada Japan way 31st January ubeto samme ya wana aka ubeju blade the fool we nyina tu betwa ye be pam wa free party nim by 31st January me say ye be ti wani ama me say wankasa no yeso wutu free party nim ipa boni we di die wie wo to chance na twene